Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, August the 24th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: 3-star Sudoku, nope, correction, 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Yeah, the Jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number 9150. 9150. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 16. Could be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, 30 minutes. Could be a 1 star. 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. So, the question is this a 1 star or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box of boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here's single box, there's single box, always a 1. Alright, next question. Do we have here duo boxes? Contains the 1 and 2. Oh, I overlooked this single box. This should be also a 1. Dual boxes? No dual boxes in this puzzle. How about quadro boxes? Triple boxes. Correction, triple boxes. Do we have here triple boxes? No triple boxes here. How about quadro boxes? I see 1 quadro box here. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. Well, these 3 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. More quadro boxes here, also quadro box. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Then, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Nope, only 1. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be here. Is connected with that box should be so 3, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. This box cannot be a 1 or a 4. We have a double 1 there, double 4 there. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. So 1 is left in this area for number 5. Then These two boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1. Should be a 2. Give me 3. Give me 4. Give me 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then 3 and 4. Well. These two boxes can be 5. Those two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. Well. Come on. Yeah. These 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and the 4, 3 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers. No. 3 numbers left. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. 2 and the 3 is connected with that box should be 2 and the 3, but it cannot be a 2 anymore. We have a 2 here, so it should be a 3 here. Is connected with that box should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Then these 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left with 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and 5. I think this box should be 3 because give me 1, give me 2, should be 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box. Should be so 4 and a 5. But it can be 4 anymore. We have a 4 in the same area. Should be a 5 then. Is connected with that box. Should be so 5. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. This box can be 2. This box can be 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadro box should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. Almost made a mistake. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. Then let me see. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Let me mark those. 1 and 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, well, we have a double 2 there, so I cannot place a 2 here. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. The 2 is supposed to be here. The 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 and 5, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. And final 2 numbers for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finished in 11 minutes. Well, told you. Should be a 0 or 1 star. Well, turns out it's a 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. If it's so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon, we have an additional 4 puzzles. In the evening, I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday.